my beautiful people. One and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today's topic, it carry weight, so he wear agbada, he can't wear chokoto. They say nothing where Musa no go see forget. I let it say na lie. And now I know say Musa don see. So say Musa can't tire, oh my darling people. Oh to dog beke. Area does scatter, my darling people. My ogbonge people, oh, they say not where Musa no go see forget really. This one again, it the apple for prison, my darling people. Police where they say make it they take care of people where they prison. Police were supposed to they look prisoner whether they want misbehave or they not go misbehave. Now police can't even they jogodo them one by one. No, my darling people. Area does scatter video do full everywhere. Oh, I said this one, he shocked me 10 times. This one shocked me. Oh, I said, which kind thing can they happen for Africa people? Police can't go the jogodo people where in supposed to they take care of. People where in supposed to they even the discipline for inside prison there. Now she can't the jogodo there. This woman not get boyfriend that be waiting. No, my people. Oh, they say nothing when Musa no go see forget. Oh, when me I see the video, I shocked her lies. Oh, I say, my people go like to hear this one. My old bonga people, they go like to hear this one. No, police were supposed to they take care of people for prison. Now you can't they jogodo them. Oh, they say not the way I not go see for this social media. Not the way I not go see. Oh, when me I see this one, I say no. Hey. This one shock me like the thing heavy me for mouth before I can't even say make I can't use and take do topic here. It shocked me because you don't know why it shocked me. I never see this kind of thing before. Say police where they say you. I know say corruption not go finish for that Africa. Me I know that one before, but I never really see the one where be say you come the jogodo you prison and there. Hey. When me I see this one, my darling people, I say no. If I not tell my ogbonge people there waiting again, no waiting again. I must come tell you now. Say area does scatter. Area do scatter really. Because this police now for what is she do now? Because the guy when the guy they face the camera, she they aware. Don't be saying maybe the guy even face and hide. He see where the guy they face the camera, and she can't still live and make it face am. Now be say you want show your face for social media because na me they always they talk on him. No let any guy video you when love go dey shark and go video you. He won't go put her he go say no worry, I don't go put her for social media, no worry. My dear, no try am oh. No trust oh, no trust them no trust them. They fit tell you say they don't go bring her come out. Immediately una quarrel your video go full everywhere oh. Your video go full everywhere. Mo na hear words oh. Mo na hear words una no go hear. Una no go hear. Mo na hear oh. Una know say at the beginning they'll fair do say that they love una. At the end, video go come full everywhere. Like this one, as you wey know say you want to do this thing, hide. Police officer for that matter. Wey know say you want to do this thing, hide oh. The next thing we will come dey hear now, he can't go the Jogodo prison now. Oh. The next thing at Jogodo prison that I can the rain for Africa now. Oh, who yeah tell who not yeah oh. Who see this video? Help me share am oh. I want me even police people make them see am oh because me I never see this kind of thing before. I never see this kind of thing. No say police officer where they say they look people where they prison and you can they Jogodo them one by one. No, hey. I say area does scatter oh my darling people. Area does scatter. Area does scatter oh. My own people, wait till now think about this video. Like the thing they shockalize me, like the thing they surprise me. Say, wait till the apple for this world. Wait till this social media they turn it to. Wetin we don see for this social media, not go there o, na e be o, no go there. Wetin we don see for this social media, e don too many o, e don too many because me, I never see this kind. This one shocktalize me. I don dey talk about news, they talk about things where they happen, but I never really just see the one wey be say e dey jogodo in prison and them. I never see am because this one e shocktalize me. E shock me like the thing I say wetin dey happen, Africa people. Una go dey jogodo, una go dey video una self. This woman now, who know whether she get husband? Nobody know. Una know. Nobody know whether she get husband. Because the woman don see come of age. Now this guy now don video you now. He don bring am come out. Your video now don full everywhere. How you can't reason yourself now? How you reason yourself, madam or officer? I know say una no go now, una go dey beat people for bad thing, but una worst pass wetin these people dey even the crime wey they even dey commit self. Una worst pass am. I know some of una go dey reason as say Lady J o, you don come again o. I never come again, my people o. The video dey o. If you need the video, add me for WhatsApp. I go send them to you. But before I go send them to you, make sure say you don't share the video. If you never share the video, not come not tell say Lady J, give me the video. I no go give you. Share them. Share am, make it go viral. Some people not go just watch because I say I go share am. All of them go just run come. They want come carry video. No, I not go share am like that again. No. If you need the video, because I know if you put the video for YouTube, YouTube not go agree. So you will need the video, my dear. Just for free, add me for WhatsApp. Before you add me, share the video first. Share the video, let the video go viral. Then you come say, Lady J, I don't share your video. Give me this video. I'll come give you. But if you never share my YouTube video, my YouTube link where you for the watch, I'm so no come I no go give you the video. So if you need the video, add me on WhatsApp. I will send the video to you. Thank you, my subscribers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for everything, my darling people. Take care until I come your way next time again. And anything what you think about the video, you leave your comment for the comment section. Bye, everybody. Bye.